Let's delete an email ID from your Facebook account. Using the same method, you can remove an email ID your Meta account too. So you can open your Facebook application, then tap the hamburger menu in the bottom right corner. Then you have to go to settings. Here, either you can tap on this little setting icon or just tap settings and privacy, then just tap settings. Then you will get this Meta account option. If it is not there, you can update your Facebook application. Here I will show you two different methods. The first method, you can just tap on login and security, then select contact info. For the second method, you can just tap on your default email or phone number. Then under your account, you have to select default contact info. So just tap on your email or phone number again. Then you can see all of your email and phone numbers. Under that, just tap add or edit contact info in blue color. Just tap it on. Then you will get this window. Here under contact info, just select the email ID that you want to delete. So in my case, I don't want the second email ID, so I will select that email ID. Then you will get this kind of pop-up window. In the pop-up window, tap delete email. Again, it will appear another pop-up window too. Just tap delete too. Then sometime it might ask you to verify yourself. Here, in my case, it asks me to re-enter my password. Sometimes it asks you to enter one-time verification code which they send you to WhatsApp or your email or phone number. So you can verify by entering the code or password. Then you can see email deleted message will get. So if it is not, you can just tap delete email. Then you will get another pop-up notice your email deleted. So as well as you can see your secondary email is no longer there. That's it. If you couldn't make it, you can find the updated video link. You can find them in the description or you can click this end screen video and come on over. See you in the next one. Later.